Hello students, I am Suman. Today we will discuss physics class 10 lesson 2 magnetic effect of electric current. Previous day we have been already discussed about magnet and the strength of the magnet and some characteristics of magnet. Today we will discuss these topics: magnetic field line, and properties of the magnetic field line. What is magnetic field? Suppose that this is a bar magnet or ends. It has two pole, north pole and south pole. So the strength of this magnet around it. Suppose that this magnet can attract the magnetic substance like iron from this position A, B, C and D. This is the position of the magnetic substance, and this magnet exert a force on this magnetic substance and attract towards itself. This property of the magnet is the magnetic field, means the strength of the magnet from which it exert a force and the magnetic substance attract towards itself. Next is the magnetic field line. Magnetic field line means all the kinds of the magnet have two kinds of field line. So here we will take one bar, again a bar magnet. We will take a bar magnet. And it has north and the south pole. Magnetic field line means there is a line which flow from one pole of the magnet towards to the another pole. This is the magnetic field line of the magnet which flow from one pole to another pole, and this magnetic field line flow in two ways, one from externally and other from internally. Means the magnetic field line flow north pole to south pole externally, and from south pole to north pole internally. So this is the property of the magnetic field line here, which flow from north pole to south pole externally and south pole to north pole internally. And this field line is around the magnet, and due to this field line the magnet attract the magnetic substance, because the magnet exert a force or power on the particular areas or particular space, and that is the magnetic field line. So magnetic field line means the field line which flow in a magnet from north to south pole externally and south to north pole internally. And there is one more topic which is related from this magnetic field line, and this topic is magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. What is magnetic flux? Magnetic flux means the number of magnetic field line flow from a unit area. Suppose that this is a unit area, it is 1 centimeter, 1 meter square, and from this particular area it is about 100 magnetic field line is passes through this area. So this magnetic field line, whatever passes through this particular area, is known as the magnetic flux. So magnetic flux is the number of magnetic field line which flow from a unit area. So this is the magnetic flux. And the next topic is the properties of a magnetic field line. What are the properties of the magnetic field line? So there are several properties of a magnetic field line. So here we'll see the properties of the magnetic field line. So the first property of the magnetic field line is it flow from north pole to south pole. North pole to south pole externally and south to north internally. Its flow north to south, as you have been seen in a diagram. This is the north and the south pole. So its flow from north pole to south pole externally and south pole to north pole internally. So the first property of the magnetic field line is it flow north pole to south pole externally and south pole to north pole internally. Second property is they are always closed and continuous curve. They are always closed and continuous curve. So here as you are watching, it is closed curve and this curve is continuous curve which flow continuously from north to south and south to north. Third is the magnetic field line are equidistant. Means this field line, the distance between two field lines are equal. The distance between two field lines are equal. So it is equidistant. And fourth important, the magnetic field line never intersect to each other. Intersects to each other. So here, whatever the magnetic field line flow from north pole to south pole externally and south pole to north pole internally. So these magnetic field line never intersect to each other, because if this magnetic field line intersect to each other, so the magnet will lose their magnetic property. That's why the magnetic field line doesn't intersect each other. So next day we'll discuss the next topic, the magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Till then, thank you.